And the next Peppa Pig is wonderful weather. Looks like we need this today, don't we? Because it's raining outside today. Every day is a wonderful weather day. When it's windy, leaves blow in the air. Whoosh! The leaves going everywhere. And when they're in piles, you can roll around in them, can't you? Fog is a cloud that is on the ground instead of in the sky. Here you can't see anything very well because of the fog. Snowy days are fun, as long as you wear your hat, scarf and gloves. And why do you think you need to wear those? To keep you nice and warm. Look, everybody's got their hats on to keep their heads warm. Sunshine feels warm. It helps Grandpa Pig's garden grow. Oh look, he's got some tomatoes. We've all had some nice weather, haven't we? Oh, some days start off sunny. Then the rain comes too, just like today. Very rainy outside today, isn't it? Peppa and George don't mind. Rainy, sunny days make beautiful rainbows. Look at the rainbow. Now, everybody, when you look out the window with the rain today, see if you can spot a rainbow. The end story. Right. Bye everyone. See you soon.